Hey YouTube, JT here. I know I've been a little remiss about showing a EDC update. I went through about two changes in the gear that I was carrying. But this is what I'm carrying now. My trusty Springfield Armory 1911A1 fully loaded model. You see, no mag. Nothing in the chamber. 45 ACP, proven man stopper. So I got 8 in there and 1, and then I got 2 spare mags. I thought you gotta always carry spares. You never know when you're gonna need them. I mean, you take care of one incident, who knows when the next one's coming around. And after you fire all your ammo in that first round, are you just gonna carry around an empty gun? So I got Chip McCormick Power 10 extended mags. They hold 10 rounds each. I had the new Oakley fuel cells, and then I switched back to these flak jackets, and I got iridium lenses in there. I think my buddy Paul at Human for Targets has the same glasses. My light source is a Phoenix TK11. You've seen my video on my primary knife, my Emerson Super CQ C8. This oversized 45 thumb stud I put in afterwards. It's pretty cool. My friend did the same thing with his paracord bracelet. My secondary knife, my Strider RW1, Rogue Warrior 1. And then my watch, I switched to a Tag Heuer, a new Aqua Racer. Alright, so just look, see at what I'm carrying nowadays. Watch your 6. JT out.